Anna and Lily are best friends. They decide to go on a weekend trip together. They take a blanket, some snacks, water, and a camera for photos. They feel excited and ready for an adventure. They get into Anna's car and start driving. The sun is shining, and the road is quiet. They listen to music and sing along while driving. After 2 hours, they arrive at a small lake. The water is clear, and the view is beautiful. They find a nice spot near the lake for a picnic. They sit on a blanket, eat sandwiches, fruits, and cookies, and drink juice. They enjoy the calm and peaceful sound of water. After lunch, they decide to explore the area. They walk along a trail near the lake. Birds are singing, and the air feels fresh. They take photos of flowers in the lake. Suddenly, they realize that the trail is not clear. Some signs are missing, and they're not sure where to go. They feel a little nervous. But Anna and Lily stay calm. They look around and find a small stream. They follow the stream, hoping it will lead them back to the lake. After a short walk, they find the trail again. They feel relieved and laugh at their small adventure. The sun begins to set. They return to the lake and set up a small campfire. They roast marshmallows and watch the stars. They feel happy, relaxed, and proud of their little adventure. Before leaving, they take a few last photos near the lake. Then they pack their bags and drive home. On the way, they laugh about their short lost adventure and enjoy the music. Finally, they arrive home at 11 p.m. They feel tired but very happy. They agree that this weekend trip was truly unforgettable.